Working on new sites. We are starting a new site from a template. First thing to do is to run Drupal chain site new and answer the questions. The first is the Drupal project to use as template, then the version, and then the directory to install. If you just hit enter, the default values will be used. Now it will run Composer. All done, now it's time to commit your code. Go into the sites folder, edit composer.json, and remove the script handler stuff. Then you can add everything to the repo, add the origin, and push the code. Create a new YAML file on your home folder /console/sites. I normally copy it from another YAML file, and I use it as a template. If you run drush site debug, you can see your site listed there. Now it's time to create the database credentials. I just want to show you that there aren't any settings yet. And in settings.php there are includes for settings.db.php. So run Drupal site settings db. You can see the database configuration now. Now it's time to run site install. Finally, we do a db dump. Working on existing sites. Run Drupal site debug to see a list of available sites. Use Drupal site checkout to get the code base. You can see it's asking me the branch, and then I go inside the sites folder, just double checking that the branch that's been checked out is the branch that I asked for. We need to run Composer. So if you run Drupal site compose, note that when the composer.log is present, it will run a composer update as opposed to composer install. We need to create database credentials. So note that the includes previously committed in settings.php have includes for settings.db.php. I'm going to run the command to create the settings for the database, and then I'm going to show you the contents of settings.db.php. Drupal site db import. This command is going to import the dump into your site, or if it doesn't find the dump, it's going to install the site from scratch. Dump imported, all done. Now it's time to open the browser and see your site. Doing everything with a single command by running a chain command that does all we need. Run Drupal chain site build. Just sit back and relax and watch the magic happening. All done? Time to open your browser.